Are you tired of feeling bloated and unhappy with your weight? Want to lose weight fast and effectively without restrictive diets or extreme workouts? Well, you're in luck, because in this video we're going to show you how to lose weight like a boss. So, don't just sit there, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started on your weight loss journey together. First, let's talk about calorie restriction. To lose weight quickly, it's important to clearly restrict your calories. This means dropping your calories to under 1,000 per day. Now, I know that might sound like a lot, but let's be real, 1,000 calories are still more than what most of us eat on a cheat day. And, of course, you'll need to be able to exercise. Exercise is crucial for weight loss. Not only does it help to burn calories but also helps to boost your metabolism. And don't worry, we're not talking about hours of grueling workouts, just a moderate exercise routine will do the trick. Another way to lose weight quickly is through intermittent fasting, which is where you time restrict your eating so that you're fasting for 16 hours a day and only eating in an 8-hour window. This method works well because it allows your body to burn stored fat for energy during the fasting period. And you know what's great about intermittent fasting? You can still have your morning coffee, it counts as a liquid calorie, and you won't feel guilty about it. And, lastly, using protein shakes and bars, and eating one small meal a day. Protein-rich foods are essential for weight loss because they help to keep you full and satisfied for longer, which means you'll be less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. And, let's be real, who doesn't love a good protein shake? Now, one of the easiest ways to lose weight is to get a scale. Studies show that people who weigh themselves every day actually lose more weight compared to those who don't. This is because when you weigh yourself every day, you're more aware of your progress and can make adjustments to your diet and exercise routine accordingly. Another simple way is to add in exercise, which works a bit better for men but will work for women as well. And, of course, getting enough sleep is essential for weight loss. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which increases your appetite and makes you more likely to overeat. When it comes to food and weight loss, there's no magic food or superfood, but rather it's unprocessed foods that work best. Our diets in the US are highly processed, so going more towards fruits, vegetables, beans, and lean proteins is the way to go. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, and they are low in calories, which makes them the perfect food for weight loss. And lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and tofu, are essential for weight loss because they help to keep you full and satisfied for longer. These are some tips and tricks for losing weight quickly and effectively. Remember, weight loss is a journey and it takes time, but if you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to reaching your goals. Keep in mind that you need to be consistent and patient. Don't give up if you don't see results right away. Most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the process. And, if you like this video and want more tips and tricks on weight loss and overall wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our community of women on their weight loss journey. See you in the next video.